Just follow my step, you can learn how to do on any side. जैसा कि तुम स्क्रीन पे देख रहे होगे आप, स्केच में जाके सर्कल लेता है, सर्कल को 120 डायमेंशन, स्मार्ट डायमेंशन को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, 120 देते हैं, 120 और 40 क्लिक करते हैं, राइट क्लिक, एक्सट्रूड बॉस पे जाते हैं, एक्सट्रूड करते हैं, प्रीव्यू देखो, 70 इंटर, नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन, go to the plane, select 35 mm middle, go to the normal to the face, this face, go to sketch, take circle, draw one circle, go to the helix, draw one helix, increase the pitch, see, okay, right, now is correct. Okay, go to the normal to the plane, now go to sketch, take polygon, four-sided polygon, take dimension 3 mm, okay, now I need to select that corner, line corner. I have to take my mouse, yeah, just click on center and drag to that position. See, now is right. See the relation. Now go back. Okay, go to the shift cut. Select the now path. See the preview. Select OK. Okay. See. Now go to the circular pattern. Select that pattern. And circular path. And delete it. Go to the direction. You can select any circular path. Use that path only. Select it. Increase number. See. Go to the equal spacing. See, it's not equal. So go to equal spacing. Now is right. Now go to mirror image. Select the plane. And select the cut. See the pattern. Okay. Click the enter. Now knurling is ready. Go to the appearance. So you can select the color. Select metal. See. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please like and subscribe to our channel.